adjustable temperature electric soldering iron set. Plug in the power supply, plus increase temperature, decrease temperature. After preheating, dip a soldering iron tip in rosin, welding with tin wire. Impurities on the soldering iron tip are cleaned on a soaked sponge. Excess tin wire can be removed using a tin absorber. Detachable soldering iron head. Better soldering iron head according to needs. After heating, it can be safely and quickly tinned. Contact the tin wire with an electric soldering iron tip. Tweezers, pliers, can trim various wires. 6-piece set of desoldering auxiliary tools, used to assist in welding and repairing various circuit boards, etc. Hook, pull, dragging, break, turn, shave, drill, brush, pry and other operations.